In this session, I shall explain you what is an open data format and what are some popular ones you may already be using. Open data format. Mark the words open, data and format. Here is the explanation. Open means that the specifications are open to public and everyone is entitled to use it. Data, we refer to the digital content that can be stored or exchanged, which means communicated from one point to the other, and format refers to the organization of data as stored or as exchanged. Some common examples most of you may already be knowing are text file, which is a common file format that contains a stream of ASCII or Unicode encoded data containing textual information only. CSV or comma separated values file, which is often used as file to port raw data between tables of different databases. INI file, which is often used for initializing or configuring values, especially in the Windows environment, and a very popular format called the XML file, that means Extensible Markup Language, which is a tagged format for any type of digital data and is used for storage as well as for exchange of data while communicating it from one point to the other point. And before we go on introducing the JSON in further sessions, we have a quick view here. This is a format containing just separators and the data items. Where are the data tags, labels of data or the metadata? We shall soon see.